Welcome to the Continuous Diecast Network, a C-10 production. I'm your host AJ, and thanks for tuning into my channel. If this happens to be your first time to the channel, hit the subscribe button and tap, click, press, or smack the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload and post daily diecast content. Also, if you're enjoying this so far, give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot with the algorithm. Now, before I get started, I always want to thank all of my subscribers and the entire diecast community for the support I continue to receive. Also, check us out on TikTok at Continuous Diecast Network and on Twitter. Links will be in the description. Also, we're taking donations, and all donations will help and proceeds will go back to support the channel. Cash App will be in the link in the description. And also, one more thing, make sure you stay until the end of the video for a special announcement. Now, you guys, we have a Mattel Creations mail call. Yep, I got a new package today. I'm expecting about, let me see, I'm expecting so many different R.L.Cs. I'm expecting the Chevy C-10, which we're about to open. I got two of those, they only sent me one. The Dodge Charger RT 1969 purple and black is on its way. I think I got the Dodge Power Wagon that I still ordered, and I think it's like maybe one more I'm missing. But anyway, let's open this bad boy up. I can't wait. I ordered this. I'm gonna have to post it when I order this. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go back and look at my order history. But it's been a couple months since I ordered this. I think it was the beginning of this year. I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna have to go check my order history and show it to you guys right about now. Now, let's see here. Okay, here we go. Got my Mattel order sheet. There we go. Okay. Now, some of these R.L.Cs come in carded packs like this. This is a Ford F100. And some of them come in boxes like this. So, this is the 2021 Selection Series Chevrolet C-10 right there. HotWheelCollectors.com. Let's see, there's a little piece of tape right here. I want to open up. So, there we go. Here we go. Pull this back here. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this beauty. I thought this one was going to be carded. So, I didn't know it was going to come in a box. Here we go. That was just the outer box. This is the inner box. The Chevrolet C-10. Redline Speed Shop. Check that out. Beautiful packaging. Beautiful. See here how we open it. Okay, it slides out like this. Wow, look at this. This is what you call presentation here. Check that out. Woo, any number? Wow, it just pops out. So, hey, we get to look at this bad boy. Check that out. Look at that. Now, I thought it's supposed to lift up or something. Okay, the wheels come down like that. This is beautiful. And there you have it. It just fell right out the package. So, like, once I opened it, I had no choice but to take it all the way out. And that's the first R.L.C I've ever pulled all the way out the package. So, she is beautiful. Well, there you have it. The next mail call will probably be the Dodge Charger RT. Yeah, make sure you stay tuned for a special announcement. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and be safe. Continuous Diecast Network, in partnership with C-10 Productions, presents Continuous Content Clothing, our channel's official clothing line and merchandise. Check out our awesome designs using nothing but high quality materials. This clothing line is a perfect representation of my channel's branding and future direction. So check out the official online store for all apparel and merch. Link will be in the description, and all proceeds will go back to supporting the channel. Thank you.